when he was hardly 4 years, they used to, he had chanted the Bhagavad Gita. So people used to recognize him as a child prodigy. If I look back, many people used to, whoever used to come and sit with him, they feel that peace, or they feel nice, they feel relaxed. They feel, there's something that attracted everybody alike, whether old or young, This is not changed at all. This has been constant. Right from his childhood to till now, millions of followers are there for him. You see people who don't know the language, who don't know our culture, from any background for that matter. No boundaries at all, no religion. Across all these cultures also people are attracted. That is where you really understand the essence, that this is nothing but the divine space that he has.
I don't know how many of all of you are aware, Gurudev has a bachelor's degree in science.
Yeah.
And you'd of course done in philosophy. So what science? I mean, what did he study?
Physics, chemistry, maths. Yeah.
Physics, chemistry, maths.
And he was more interested in physics and then also astrology, astronomy actually. He will go watch stars and and then he's so it has all come to him naturally, as I said, downloading is easy for him through meditation. So any topic you give him, I tell you, I have seen him, he will never study. He take a book and he will sleep off, doze off when he was small. So I have not seen him study any scriptures like that. But then, any topic you ask him, right from Bible to Quran to Upanishads, he can answer you from the scripture. And that is the, I feel if you need any proof, this is the proof, So and he is so comfortable in any situation, and he will see only positive in every situation. Like he says, the glass is half empty or half full. I will say half empty, you will say, Gurudev will say half full. Look at life from this perspective, and then your whole attitude changes. And life is all about our attitude, how you take it and how you can mold, you can make your life into what you want, Jaise drishti vaise srishti, right?
Correct.
Gurus come to us, they know what is necessary and what type of knowledge is necessary. That is where the guidance of the master is so, and presence of a living master is so important. Otherwise, scriptures are there, of course, but it can be misinterpreted, or, it can be, we will not know how to learn it from it. So many of us, there may be a lot of misinterpretation. Interpolations are also there,
Yes.
So that this is the time where Master's word translate into experience. The scriptures get translated into experience. So I tell you instance where I am the Sanskrit, I have studied Sanskrit in my house. He used to study Kannada. He was in Kannada, this thing. But he will quote from whatever I have studied many times. And I'll be wondering, he didn't study this. And till today, since 3 decades, we have been doing this advanced programs, silence program, where he has taught so many techniques. But recently somebody gave him a copy of Vigyan Bhairav when he had gone to Kashmir Shaivism, So he's so interested. And then when we look into these techniques, already he has taught them all. So now we can relate to it. Oh, we have done it in advanced program. So it is like this, presence of the master really, revives that spirit, and knowledge is, they say, lodged in consciousness.
Right.
So it is never lost. It is like downloading.
Right.
And it's like iCloud. Now we understand all this, everything is stored.
Right.
So he helps you to log in, and he gives you the password. Gurudev has always been saying that there is no dearth for good people on this planet. Yeah. It is, you have to have the eye for it. You have to. So he's creating awareness basically among people that everybody has that purity at heart, but you have to recognize it, or there is something that is covering them that you can call it stress factor, for which he is also giving tools to remove this stress, how easily one can realize oneself, be in that real place where who you are, to know who you are.
Right.
So that is where the master's presence is essential, enlightened master's presence.
Exactly.
See, Acharya and teacher can give you information, and a person who is full of information need not be experiential. Wisdom is a practical information, practical knowledge. So that is where again and again, time and again, enlightened masters come to revive this spirit of the togetherness, connectivity, and how the divinity prevails everywhere. How positivity is there in the environment, how you can really imbibe this.
True.
God is not like somebody is polarizing something, is one type of everything. They always say, you have so many types of trees,
Correct.
so many types of flowers, so many types of fruits and vegetables. So like that, there are so many belief systems.
Absolutely.
So if you are confident of your own system, your own belief in which you are born into, then you say that, okay, they also have their own way. Apple is good, banana is good, everything is good. If you don't like banana, you don't have to be forced to eat. Accept that there is everything is present in the universe, but you don't have to convert to be. Apple cannot be converted into banana, right?
Perfect.
That is what is happening now exactly in the world. And this is where we need to have a deeper understanding of who you are, actually, why you have come here for. And these great questions arise when you have a calm and pleasant state of mind. So that is where exactly Gurudev is giving this gift of knowledge and meditation to the whole world. And people are recognizing it, and 155 countries are welcoming him with open arms, because this is what the need of the hour is. That's why time and again masters come, and we are so fortunate that this is born in this land,
True.
Isn't it? And he says, we don't have to say that, oh, it is my own culture is the best one. It is like way of living, as you exactly said, and it's like the sun, moon is everybody's property, right?
Exactly.
Like that, even our Upanishads, scriptures, Vedas, they are everyone's property. Music, food, and these things have no barrier. There is no seema there,
True.
Whoever requires this knowledge, it will reach out to them. And I am just an instrument to be a, mode of transfer to them.